US President Donald Trump's tone on Russia seems to have hardened slightly, but he still sounds skeptical of Ukraine's leadership and their willingness to come to the negotiating table. Speaking in the Oval Office just moments ago, Trump said that Russia is bombing the hell out of Ukraine, and that he's told them they can't do that. His remarks were tempered by the suggestion that other leaders around the world would similarly take advantage of a decrease in foreign military assistance to their enemies. I think he's doing what anyone else would do. He's hitting them harder than he's been hitting them, and anyone in that position would be doing right now, Trump said. He wants to get it ended. I think Ukraine wants to get it ended. I suspect he wants to get it ended. The US president appears to have not shifted much on his position, starkly highlighted after last week's infamous Oval Office meeting with Zelensky, that he is not convinced by Ukraine's desire for peace. At one point, Trump was asked why he doesn't supply Ukraine air defense weapons, despite Russia's mounting aerial attacks. His answer is unlikely to assuage concerns in Kyiv or in European capitals. I have to know that I want to settle, he said. Trump, however, seems increasingly confident that Russia is willing to negotiate, despite statements from the Kremlin. Just yesterday, he suggested he is privy to information that only he knows that indicates they have no choice.